The JBL Charge 4 waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker in white is a powerhouse of sound packed into a sleek and rugged body, designed for music lovers who want both performance and portability. At the core of the Charge 4 is JBL's signature sound, delivering rich, dynamic audio with deep bass and clear highs that can fill a room or an outdoor space with ease. Powered by a high-capacity 7,500 mAh rechargeable Li-ion battery, it offers up to 20 hours of continuous playtime on a single charge, making it ideal for extended trips, beach days, camping, or backyard gatherings. One of the standout features of the Charge 4 is its IPX7 waterproof rating, meaning it can be submerged in water up to 1 meter deep for 30 minutes without damage, making it safe to use by the pool or even in the rain. It supports Bluetooth 4.2, enabling seamless wireless streaming from smartphones, tablets, or laptops. You can connect up to 2 devices at once, so you and a friend can take turns playing your favorite tracks. What's more, with JBL Connect Plus technology, the Charge 4 can wirelessly link with over 100 JBL Connect Plus enabled speakers, creating a massive, room-filling stereo experience perfect for parties or larger events. The speaker also doubles as a power bank, thanks to its built-in USB port that allows you to charge your phone or other devices on the go, without compromising on sound output. Its design is as impressive as its functionality. The white version of the Charge 4 features a clean, minimalist aesthetic that looks good anywhere, from modern kitchens to sandy beaches. Its durable fabric and rugged rubber housing ensure it can withstand drops, bumps, and all types of terrain, while still looking stylish. The top panel includes tactile buttons for power, Bluetooth pairing, volume, playback, and Connect Plus activation, while the rear houses the USB-C charging port, USB-A output port, and a 3.5mm audio input. Under the hood, the Charge 4 features a single full-range driver paired with dual passive radiators on either side of the speaker, giving it a surprisingly powerful bass punch for its size. While it doesn't have stereo sound like the earlier Charge 3, the audio clarity and balance are exceptional. The passive radiators visibly pump to the beat, adding a fun visual element to the audio experience. It weighs just under 2 pounds, making it easy to throw into a backpack or carry by hand without strain. The battery indicator lights on the bottom help you keep track of how much juice you have left, and the speaker charges in about 4 hours via USB-C. Though it doesn't come with built-in voice assistant support or Wi-Fi connectivity like some premium models, the Charge 4 more than makes up for it with its robust performance, reliability, and value. It's especially well-suited for people who need a durable, long-lasting speaker for travel or outdoor use without sacrificing audio quality.